Hello everyone, it's Mark here at MAS Audio. Today's video is on a Nissan Juke. We have this car in, and as you can see we have removed all of the door panels. There you go. Now every speaker in the car are absolutely rock solid. They are not moving, they've been blown. They've played the stereo too loud and literally they are completely seized solid. Just blown every speaker. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be fitting these. Now these are Vibe Slick, and they're a 6.5 inch component setup. Really nice speaker. They sound absolutely brilliant. If you've ever seen Vibe's VW Golf, this is what they have in the doors on that car. Sounds really good. And then you've got your little separate tweeters as well, and your crossover. So those are going to be going in the car. And then because of the shape of these, obviously they're one moulded piece, we have this adapter ring, which is exactly the same shape. So as you can see, if we line this up, put the pins in the door. It probably has to go the other way around actually, because the holes don't line up that way. So there you go. So that fits on the door. As you can see, all the screw holes line up. That gives you your adapter to fit your speaker onto. And we've also got these little wiring adapters with the spade connectors one end, and then this little plug, which is a direct match for the Nissan one, plugs in there. Because on the original speaker it's just a socket on the side of the actual moulding. These speakers were on the outside. All we've done is we've tucked it in, run it inside the door so we can plug them in. This is what it looked like before. It's just on the outside and just basically plugged in there. So we'll tuck this one inside as well. We've made sure it doesn't foul up with the windows when the windows go up and down. The windows don't actually even reach as low as this anyway when they're fully down. I've got all the clearances all checked and nothing's going to foul that. So we're going to be replacing all 4 speakers and the tweeters, which are just there in the front A pillars. Now one thing, if you're wondering how we got the door panels off, unfortunately I didn't video that part of it, but a very easy door panel to remove. All you have to do is inside the pocket there's one screw, pop this panel off, it's just held in with clips, and then the door pops out. And if I just show you, this was a complete pocket and window assembly for the back. As you can see, there's a screw hole there. Once you've undone that screw, it pops out. This little panel, which goes up here on the top of the door, pop that out first, just held on with a couple of clips. Little pop clips, very easy. The front doors got a separate pocket with a screw in it. Do that one. And then this window piece is just held on with these little tabs. Quite easy just to pop that out and unplug it. And same again, you've got another trim piece. This time goes where the door mirror goes. Again, it's just held on with a couple of little pop clips. Very easy to remove. Right, here we go. New speakers are installed. Sounds really good now, which is lovely. Don't know how good it comes through on the microphone, but that's really good. And there's the other one there. So what we're going to do is just get the door cards. I'll show you how to put the door cards on, because that will give you some idea how to take them off. They're actually really easy on the Nissan Juke, so we'll show you that, and and then go from there. Okay, so just slip this door card on. All you do is you hook it into the runner at the top, and then it just pops in with little clips. So you just go around, push all the clips in, make sure they all seat nicely. Once you've done that, you've got this little pocket here, just clicks into there. Okay, so once your pocket piece is in there, got your wire here for your electric windows and switches, which is this piece. So you just need to plug that back on. I'll just get that plugged on quick. Once you've got that connector plugged in, you just press this into place. Check that everything works. And then we do put this Phillips screw back in. So that's tight. And this little plastic clip, and just pop it into place. Just push it in, and that's it. That's the door card back on. Then you've got this little trim panel, which basically just, you can see there, just line it up, push it on, held on with a couple of clips. That's it. That's the door panel back on. Now on the back doors, when you take that same looking piece out and the Phillips screw out, lift this out, just in there behind it is a little screw, or you can use a 10mm socket to get it off, but it's not very tight, so you just use a screwdriver to remove that as well before you pull the door panel. Handles stay in place on the door, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Very easy door to do. So as you can see on the one that's left, the door handle and all that is all still on there. So nice and simple. Okay, this car is all finished, all back together. Customer's going to really enjoy these speakers, I'm sure. Well, that's a wrap for this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.